Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenja TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Chippa 0. I'm joined by Umenier.
Sure, Steve. I'm for the for a 3 point.
Sure.
But I'm disappointed no coach Sham.
Yeah.
Coach Sham Ntayenza ebangayiboni.
When's that Menier?
Coach Sham unomtanjera.
Yeah.
Unokuba fucked up aphume akhathale ne.
Yeah.
Angamkhiphi.
Yeah.
Ngathi uyakhetha ngokuthi unemtanjera ubuya naye kulento. Kugalati.
Yeah.
Lento kumele siyibheke. Unomtanjera simkhipha makahleli phansi.
Yeah.
If akahleli phansi akakhishwa.
Why?
Ufuna ukukhishwa lani?
Ndoda.
Why?
Menier.
Coach wethu ngathi uyakrema ukuthi kumele ngikhiphe bani ngifake ubani.
Favoritism.
Unemtanjela njalo umbheke namanje manje yothi 80 something bekaphethe amadolo ubamba amadolo akamkhiphi coach wethu ukhipha ball for what mina ucoach wami uyazi ngiyamthanda coach uhlala ngimkhulumela
Yeah.
but lento ayenzayo now it's a third time aloku ayenza
Uyibhekile.
phela amabhaka niyayibheke leyo nto
Yeah.
unemtanjela akakhitshwa ku-Pirates and into engikwadisayo leyo iyangikwatisa
Yeah, ngiyakubamba.
angali sinama midfield abhaya mfowethu abadlale bonke mfowethu sikani chance ichipa kusithimi ukuthi kumele siqinise into ezingako yangithola
Ngiyakuthola.
ucoach akayilungisa indaba kaNemtanjela ngiyamncane naye player lethu akamkhiphe naye aphume ngesikhathi short ngiyabonga uyabona siyaphushiwa namhlanje bafethu la sokhuluma sohlangana ePolokwane ntwana eDurban.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?